I have a little bit of PTSD when it comes to monkeys. Wow, look at this. Yo! They're just chilling there. I think it's dead, not in the water for some reason. So that one's been there for at least like a couple minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, just dipping his tongue or lip. And there's another one doing the same thing there. I wonder if their lips are getting really cold. Welcome to Jigokudani Monkey Park. I thought that was a monkey behind me. So this is where the wild snow monkeys are here in Japan. This is the route going up. This is the forest. Obviously there's fresh snow, but you got to be careful walking through these. If you do have hiking boots, bring them. I'm just wearing my normal trainers, and it might get slippy on the way down. Yeah, so you've got to be very careful, watch your steps. So any kind of snow boots, or like a spiky ones, like the one that you can put on top of the trainers, I think it would be recommended. Right, so these guys are taking off-piste. So the purpose of coming here is to see the snow monkey. You might have seen it viral on the internet. So the monkey that I think this is the only breed of monkeys in the world, the only place in the world where monkeys bathe in the hot spring, in a natural hot spring. It's called onsen, so monkey onsen. It's quite an incredible spectacle if we do get to see it. It's quite so it's not a very challenging hike. You can see that various age group have taken the route. So there's nothing else. There's no you can't take cars or anything. So you have to walk this 1.8 kilometers. So it roughly takes about 27 minutes to get to the top. It's very chilly. When we got off the car down the car park, we thought it was warm, but it's gradually getting colder, obviously with the forest as well. There's no sunlight coming through, so it'll be much cooler. What's the prediction? Are you going to see the monkey? Is the monkey going to be there or not? If not, I think we might have to dip this guy in, because he's... What, up there? Oh, you can eat up there. There's a restaurant up there, it looks like. So 1.3 kilometers left to the Snow Monkey Park. Are we really different? I doubt. I think the monkeys here are much more civilized and much more calmer than most of the humans around the world. Quick bow. Must be Japanese guy. Man, if you slip down here, ooh, just talked about slipping and nearly gone. But yeah, if you do slip down here, might be game over for some. So I'm gonna walk on this side, even though if it's muddy. Did you see it?
Yes.
So they're up there, yeah?
Yes. Plenty of monkeys.
All right, cool. Good news, guys. Game on. Right, I'm gonna watch my step. One slip and game over. Very interesting fact. So female give birth to a single infant every other year. Pregnancy lasts about 180 days and she'll give birth during the night. Each female will have around 10 babies in her lifetime. Very interesting. interesting. It's muddy as he gets. Oh, my man's doing it in slippers, so it might not be too bad, guys. I might have made it a bit too extreme. If they could do it in slippers, I could do it in my trainers. Look at it's not fresh as such, but still like freshish. Oh no. So there's literally a walking path for you. So if there's a will, there's a way. So luckily you can walk on the ledge. And there's this little trench flowing down, but this is cold water, not hot. Then we come to this little point where you can take a little rest, take a breather. Day in the life of a monkey. Right, I might quickly read this, summarize it. The timing of their leaving may vary. All male monkeys will eventually leave their original communities. In most cases, they roam alone. In autumn, these roaming males will approach female of another troop with the hope of mating with them. Male monkeys within the troop are hostile towards these intruders, but in spite of this, some female will mate with the lone males. So basically solo travelers. Generally, most of these lone male will leave the troop when mating season is over. Yeah, that's life for every single species in the animal kingdom. Offsprings, hot springs. And the female remain in their original troop their whole life. There are many more females than the children within the troop because of the male macaques tendency to leave the group. The relatives with the troop, such as mothers and the children, grandparents and the children, as well as siblings, will tend to stay close to one another. They eat, sleep and relax together and generally rely on one another. Very nice. Very nice. So, as even in the monkey community, females are a lot more stable than male. And caring and nurturing. Right, I think we have another 5 minutes of walk maybe. And then on the way we get to this. I think we walked about 15 minutes now, halfway, maybe just over halfway. We get to this beauty. The river flowing down there. And Bathe? Yeah, can you see one there? Right there. Probably come down for food. Namche was our city, is it? Oh, done it is. So the whole area is theirs. And then this side is the forest. It's like pine trees or conifers. I don't know what trees these are. Oh, there's one there running. Hopefully they're not aggressive. Yeah, so fantastic view. Can you see like little steam coming out there? And that might be some sort of spring. Hopefully this is a natural spring. That's what I think. It's not created. Even if it's created, it's quite spectacular. Shows the generosity of Japanese people. So that's that same village from the other side. There are a lot of trekkers around, I've noticed. I think there's another route here for that takes you obviously to this Snow Monkey Park. Right. And then there was another route that I saw. So it's 800 yen and then 400 for children under 18. Wow, this is mad. literally the forest is on your head as you're walking up. Kia? Nhà có? Sweet. Keep marching up. Yo, these guys are bright. Running down. I think we're here now. I can see one hut. That's probably the entrance. You could smell something, and I think that's, as Uncle said, that's sulfur there. It's very strong. It smells like sewage. Oh, what a spectacular view from top. Wow. Love this. Absolutely love this.
Yeah, it's in the same place.
I think to climb up, and it goes really like vertically up. Probably I would say about 60 degrees, 70 degrees slope. Right, this is as far as you'll get for free, and then you obviously need a ticket to go through. Right, so you're gonna have to wait for our friend to come, and we'll get a ticket and go in. Right, 2-minute walk from the entrance hut. So we walk down here, or you can even view from the top if you wanted. But this is where. Oh, यताबाट जाने कि माथिबाट जाने? यहीँबाट नि मिल्दैन. They're literally everywhere, man. The only thing is I'm scared of monkeys, so look, they're fighting, play fighting. Oh, damn. Look at the little baby. Hey, cutie. Oh. Oh, this is so close. This is nothing. Okay, Jaman. There's so many of these. Oh, look at these, roly-poly. Comes the big one. Must be the alpha male, ready to leave the village, look for a mate. Right, should we walk up? Yeah, might do. One sec. Right, following on. I can see the hot spring now. And there are a lot of people there. I just hope I'm on my own. And I hope I don't get attacked by these monkeys. As I said, loads of them. They're scared of the staff. No one's saying anything, man. Such a quiet place. Everyone just observing. Oh, look at this. I think it's dead, not in the water for some reason. Trying to find the lice or something. Look at that one there. The king. They're so calm. Oh, there's another one, Biggie. Coming through. Oh, he's gonna get in? No, he's trying to drink the water, I think. Yeah. I think it's too hot for these guys. Because the sun's out. If the sun wasn't out, they would have taken a dip in this hot spring. Wow, this is truly, truly amazing. Outstanding. There's literally no reaction. We're literally less than a meter away, but they don't even buzz. Nothing. No budging, nothing, man. Oh, there's a little one there. Oh man, there are hundreds of these. 100, more than hundreds. Alright, let me take some other photos and if you know what's going on, just drop in the comment. But I don't think any of these are going to get in. It's nice and sunny outside, so I'd rather enjoy the sun. Right, it might be over and out from here. So this is all it is here, actually. This is that one pool there with monkeys waiting to take a dip, and then the whole valley, which is full of monkeys as well. This is their kind of territory. So fortunately we got to see this, because this is the only place on earth that this happens, that they naturally are bathing in hot spring. But unfortunately they're not taking the dip, so you're not going to see them wet, which is good. They're taking, sunbathing. There you go, there's one that's taking a full nap. That's the level of relaxation I need in my life. Wow. Highly, highly recommended. If you're ever down this sort of area, because obviously people explore the Tokyos, the Osakas, the Kyotos, but if you're down this end, north, Japan is completely different. It's much more beautiful. Snowy mountains. So one of them, apparently one of the monkeys looking at me, probably wants to subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't, subscribe. But yeah, this side of Japan is absolutely beautiful, completely different. Snowy, obviously, a lot of ski slopes, a lot of hiking, nature. If you're a nature lover, I think, and if you want not the hustle and bustle of the city, I think towards this side of Japan is obviously you should explore this as well. So I would say start in Hokkaido, and then take a trip down all the way to Tokyo or even further down south. There's other islands as well down south, but this is definitely one to witness. Over and out.